Susunod na ang paghaharap ni na Lady Gagita at Haronse at ng special SC host, Zorin Legaspi. Live na live!
I'm just a normal kid lang sa bayan namin dun sa Davao. Tapos ganito, parang iba yung pakiramdam. Parang artistang-artista, ganun ba?
Feeling ko na kasi ito yung dream namin na ganito ang mangyari sa amin.
If they continue with their creativity, I think they can, sustain. But then I think people would still love them.
Lady Gagita at Haronse, print models na rin? Yes. Ang internet sensations na may pinasikat na version ng music video ni na Lady Gaga at Beyonce sa YouTube. Todo ang emote sa full spread fashion feature ng Manila Bulletin last Friday. At ang kumuha ng kanilang glamorous photos, walang iba kundi ang batikang photographer na si Nicolo Cosme.
Like everyone else, sobrang nabilib ako doon sa pagiging creative nila doon sa video. So, yun, doon nagsimula yun. And then, I started to, message ko sila, sabi ko, baka gusto niyo mag-photoshoot, tagasan ba kayo? Sabi nila, sige, we're very, very much interested to have a photoshoot. And it was a collaboration with Jake Galvez, the makeup artist, who did the column also for Bulletin. We came to the studio, prepared naman kami, and then we told them na we have surprises for you. Kasi yung headdress ni Lady Gaga, we had designers come up with that. And syempre nakita nila parang wow, But it was fun. And after the shoot kasi, getting to see the photos, parang, it came out really, really good.
Sino nga ba sina Lady Gagita at Haronse? Saan sila nanggaling? Ano ang nagtulak sa kanila para naising pumasok sa showbiz? At ano-ano na rin kaya ang pagbabago sa buhay nila ngayong nakikilala na sila bilang artista? Vince Book, a.k.a. Lady Gagita, and Harold Palermo, a.k.a. Haronse. Lalabas mula sa internet, straight to your television screens, live na live, dito lang sa Showbiz Central.
Of course, syempre live na live. I'm here from Making Toy in the house. SC 2010 pa rin. Kasama ko po ngayon Lady Gaga and Haronse. Go!
Yeah!
Woo, yes!
Come on down!
Come on, yan. Iba rin ang palong-palong pag-aspan sa outfit nila. Ayan. Kailangan, alam mo, ganyan eh. Happy lang. I love the rubber duck. Hello, Lady Gaga.
Good afternoon,
Haronse.
Rashi.
Yeah, welcome.
Good afternoon po.
Ayan.